All right. This is short. It is. It's not even 3 minutes. It is. It's quick, but it's short. You have 4 high knees, and then you pump. Speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pump, 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 pump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Pump, 2, 3, 4. Scissor kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Criss, cross, criss, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Criss, cross. Scissor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, in, out, in. Last time. Up. Keep that core tight. Let's pump. In, out. Woo. From the top. Up, up. Keep that core tight. All right, you only have this last section. That's it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pump, 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 pump. Up. Pump. Up. 2, 3, 4. Pump. Scissor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, in. Out, in. Scissor. Out.